The need to review the National Health Insurance Scheme medicine price list in view of Nigeria's present economic situation has been brought to the front burner. This came to the fore at plenary as a motion of urgent importance moved by Honorable Paul Nnamchi from Enugu State. The federal lawmaker, while moving the motion, said Nigeria as a nation is grappling with economic hardship and rising the cost of living, thus the need to review the National Health Insurance Scheme.
Perhaps that the existing medicine price list under the NHIS framework no longer align with the current market dynamics and cost structures of pharmaceutical products, as the last NHIS price list review was in 2021. When the exchange rate was between 400 to 420 Nigerian naira to a dollar, as against the current official rate of 1,594 as at the time of this motion to $1. Disturbed that many vulnerable patients, especially the marginalized section of the society, are finding it increasingly difficult to get essential and quality medication in the health management organization, leading to adverse health outcomes and exacerbating the burden of illness on our healthcare system. Regrets that no urgent action is taken, loss of life will continue to deepen while the economic devastation to the nation continues to increase. I appreciate that it is imperative to address this pressing issue without delay and take proactive steps to ensure that our NHS remains effective in fulfilling its mandate of providing quality healthcare services to Nigerians.
Honorable Paul Nnamchi later had an interaction with journalists in his office where he spoke on issues concerning his political party.
You will recall that sometime in the past, our chairman went to the media to say that every person elected under his own party, Labour Party, has failed. Have you ever heard such thing? He went to the media to say it openly. He was saying it on an argument with a chairman of PDP, who just said, well, he can't say more. When the chairman of Labour Party has said that their people has failed. So what else is he going to say again? I have not failed. Let me just start from that place. If anybody has failed, I don't think I have failed. And if everybody accepts the statement, I don't accept the statement. Then, this is a person that was appointed in 2020 for a period of 3 months. I'm sure you know how many years it is now. And by the constitution, he can't be appointed more than 3 times for that period of 20 years. And at the same time, you are the person putting fire on your own house, setting up parallel structures in different local governments. If you don't look at anybody's face and you feel you don't like him, you set up parallel in his local government. If you see a chairman, you think you don't like him, you say you are going to remove him. So sometimes the Igbo man will say that after pleading with somebody for a long time, with an old man or somebody, this is an idiom. You pour sand in if it's an old man, you pour the ash in your head and go and talk to him. So that your head would also be like an old man. You go and talk to him. And that's what happened. When you pleaded and did a lot of things and did appealing, appeal doesn't work. You go and tell the people that has that mandate, which is the court. And that's why I went to court, to tell us, to interpret if he's still qualified to be there.
He also spoke on the current security challenges, blaming it on the previous administration. Comfort Kukelwe, News 24.